Hey there guys, it's Tony from Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property. Today we're going to be doing a roof wash of a home in Modesto, California, closer to that farming community. So it's going to be surrounded by a bunch of fields, crops year round, and a lot of dust and wind during the slow time of their seasons. So the customer only wanted to have the north side of the house done. So that's all we did for this property. This is going to be like the guest home. Later in the video, we'll be seeing how big that actual home is going to be. This is just going to be the front side. Again, we're going to be only doing the north side facing parts of the roof. But like any other job, what we do first is going to be doing a rinsing of the sides of it. We're cleaning, and then after that, going to be applying our chemical solution. You can see how green and black and yellow that roof is. It's pretty nasty, but we were able to take care of it for them. They're very happy with their job. They found us off of Google, where you can find us at aquacleansingpresswashing.com. You can also see the review there as well. But again, this is Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property.